Avoid silo mentality, enhancing collaboration and unity. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that's crucial in both personal and professional settings. Avoid silo mentality. Understanding this concept can greatly improve how we work and interact with others. Let's explore its meaning, implications, and how we can apply it in our daily lives. Silo mentality refers to an attitude found in some organizations where departments or teams do not want to share information or knowledge with other groups within the same company. It's like each department is working inside its own silo or tower, isolated from the rest. This mindset can lead to a lack of efficiency, missed opportunities, and a decrease in overall company performance. Understanding this term is essential for anyone looking to succeed in a collaborative work environment. Avoiding silo mentality is crucial because it fosters better collaboration, enhances team performance, and drives innovation. When teams work together and share their knowledge, they can solve problems more effectively, come up with new ideas, and achieve goals more efficiently. It also improves the workplace atmosphere by promoting open communication and mutual respect among colleagues. Overcoming silo mentality involves several strategies. Promote open communication. Encourage teams to share information and communicate openly with one another. Encourage cross-departmental projects. Working on projects that require input from various departments can help break down barriers. Leadership by example. Leaders should demonstrate the importance of collaboration and information sharing. Create a unified vision. Ensure that all team members understand and are aligned with the organization's goals and objectives. A united team that actively works against silo mentality can achieve remarkable results. Benefits include increased efficiency, higher employee satisfaction, and a stronger competitive edge. By fostering an environment where knowledge and resources are freely shared, organizations can innovate and adapt to changes more rapidly. Avoiding silo mentality is about embracing openness, collaboration, and unity. It's a powerful approach that can transform not just workplaces but also personal relationships and community projects. We hope this video has illuminated the importance of working together and given you strategies to promote unity in your own circles. Thank you for watching, and remember, together, we can achieve more.